Tea, no flour, no sugar, no butter, just chocolate, eggs, and fresh cherries from the market. Oh wow, cherries! Stop!
What is what?
Let me start picking cherries. Così. If you have a better way of picking cherries, share it to me. I could use some tips. I could use quite a few, probably 100 grams, because I'm only using small cake tin, and it's also only 2 bars. You're welcome to try.
Me too.
Oh, here's the next step. I'm going to cook the cherries. Put a little bit of water. So this is cornstarch, and I'm dissolving it with water. Probably a tablespoon of water and a tablespoon of cornstarch to thicken the cherries. And I am not cooking the cherries more than it should be, because I do not want it to become like jam. I want it still intact, whole. I'm just softening the cherries without cooking them like jam. Remember, this is still gonna be cooking into the cake. Now, leave this to cool down while I'm doing the next step. While cherries are cooling down, let me chop chocolate. So now chocolate is already chopped up, and let's melt it in with water in a pot, boiling without touching the bottom of the bowl.
A water bath.
A water bath being said. While the chocolate is melting, I'm separating eggs. I'm just using my hands to separate eggs yolks from egg whites. No fancy gadget needed. This is the best equipment in the kitchen. Chocolate is melted already. Leave it to cool down, then I can proceed to the egg whites and egg yolks. Beat the egg yolks, and then add it to melted chocolate. Egg yolks and dark chocolate are completely blended together. And now let me move to egg white. You may have to cover your ears at this moment.
Wow.
Now let's add egg whites to chocolate and egg yolk. Don't forget to line your cake tin with parchment paper. I'm using olive oil to hold the sides of the cake tin so that you can easily remove the cake without sticking. Put the chocolate butter into cake tin. Time to lick my spatula. Now I'm putting the cooked cherries into the cake tin. Obviously, the cake will sink down at the bottom of the cake tin. Ready to bake into preheated oven, 180 degrees for about 30 to 45 minutes. It's hot. Doesn't that look so delicious?
It looks absolutely yummy.
The moment of truth.
Wow. That is just looking good. I can't wait for it to cool down and eat it.
I recreated the amazing chocolate cake that I made 3 years ago with French-picked cherries when we were still living in Piedmont. And look at that. Sicilian ice cream is the best way to serve with amazing chocolate cake with cherries. And tea is ready to pour. Your best dessert wine in Sicily.
Well, since we're having Sicilian cherry with chocolate cake, we must have a little bit of marco.Rina, excellent Moscato Pasico di Pantelera. Something. Right. This will go down like liquid gold sliding down the throat. Cheers.
Cheers.
But let's not forget the ice cream.
I can't wait. I can't wait with my chocolate. It's been 3 years and I waited for.
Amore, you're all the best.
Nothing more I can say.
Absolutely fabulous. You must come to Sicily. You must watch more of our videos, which we're going to be producing all about our wonderful life in Sicily. Ciao tutti.
Ciao tutti. Ciao.
Saluti. Salute me.
We're supposed to be picking cherries, not eating.